Respected dear family members, my pranams to you. Many questions were asked by many people, either for criticizing or for belittling or degrading, or majority of the questions are for knowing the subject. To each and every one of those who asked the question, I would like to say all these questions as answers we have described in YouTube. I have written nearly 130 books in English and Malayalam. In those books also these type of details are available. And we should also remember one thing: for some questions, one line answer, one word answer, one paragraph answer cannot be given, because it needs one full hour lecture. Many cases 1 hour lecture is needed for clarifying the doubts. But still I will try to give the answer in shortest words and lines and paragraphs. What is the use of customs and rituals for children? Very interesting question. The customs and rituals, generally some of the customs and rituals are obsolete. They are known as anachara. Some of the customs and rituals are bad for the society. They are known as durachara. The good customs and rituals are known as sadachara. They are meant for mind, body, family, culture, society, nation, for creating a positive impact in the mind, positive impact in the body, for building the family relation, for increasing and valuing the cultural values, and for increasing the strength of the social bondage and the national integration. What should I do for the India after my retirement? Don't wait till your retirement. Do your level best from now onwards. Spend your 3% time, 3% energy, 3% money for serving our motherland wheresoever you are. Many people used to say after retirement we will do some work for our nation. Don't wait till retirement. One thing, it is not sure that when you will be alive till retirement. Second thing, after retirement generally people go for some other job, same condition will be maintained. And once you are so weak and bedridden, at that time you may be worrying that I have not done anything. So don't worry. Information technology based service can be done for our nation, like email, blog writing, email writing, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or something like WhatsApp. You can send the good messages to many people if they are interested, and build a small group for learning and teaching Indian heritage. Next point, thousands of Indians will come back from Middle East. What to do? I always used to tell everyone, particularly new Nitakat is coming in Arabia, and every nation will definitely be focusing for their citizens, just like we threw away English people and made them to go back. Any country in the world will not allow other country citizens to survive there and flourish there. They will definitely remove the foreigners either by fight or by rules and regulations. To every Indian working in any country, I would like to say, try to do some business in India. Even Kerala condition is improved. Outside Kerala condition is also improved. So making in India project, made in India project, startup project, any work you can do and you can make money. Now the workers in Kerala, India get very good salary. So try to start some industry now itself. When you come back, this will be flourishing. You can devote your full time and energy and money for not only for your making money, but also for giving job for others. So do some startup work or some industry in India. Why Indians do not have patriotism? Whatever English people have taught us, that is meant for comfortable ruling of the Englishmen in India. Even Indian administrative service is meant for British people to rule India. The collector system, the Tahsildar system, all this, the governor system, this and the black coat wearing by the judges and advocates, and the TTR of the train, these are all English system. Body wise an Indian, mind wise the Britisher. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, copied it to India. So we were always kept the idea of denigrating India, belittling India, and proving with so much negative thoughts that India is useless. One group of atheists, one group of progressives, one group of Communist Party fellows, and a group of congressmen always tried to say that when in India nothing existed, everything came from outside. So we are the only people always try to reduce Indian importance in the mind of the people. That is why we have not given patriotic vision, we have not given nationalistic vision. If at all anybody is talking in the patriotic or nationalistic sense, we will label it as Hindutva, saffronization, and so many things. So once it is not given, patriotic spirit is not given to the people, it will not be evolving as such. Why Unified Civil Code is not implemented? Mainly the rulers wanted to get the vote bank. They wanted to get the vote bank from Muslims, vote bank from Christians. So they never wanted Unified Civil Code in India. They wanted special protection for the minority. They are enjoying all the benefits much more than the majority of India. Who created the present problems in India? Alive magazine 5 years ago wrote an article, all the major 6 problems of India, whether it is Jammu Kashmir, Northeast India, or it is terrorism, or it is boundary argument between the states, or Khalistan movement, or bifurcation of the states. All these problems are created by Jawaharlal Nehru. And for his becoming the world leader, he ignored India. Even India-China war was a mistake from the tongue of Nehru from Bangalore. He casually commented that India is at war with China. Then only Chinese knew that Indians are fighting with China. In fact, it was not happening. So all Indian problems are created by Jawaharlal Nehru. Why Indians talk about India in a bad way? When you are taught to talk about India in a bad way, naturally you will be teaching others also in a bad way. You will be practicing also. Whatever is taught, that will be practiced. Why Hindus are not teaching Hinduism to children? Hindus are the broadest minded people. They think that when Hinduism is not required, modern knowledge is enough, whereas Christians teach Christianity and Islam teaches their religion and Quran in their madrasas with the support of government, whereas the Hindus, the parents think that this need not be taught, these are all old things. And unfortunately, the last generation got maximum attracted towards the atheism and communism, so that their children also became just like communist or the so-called negatively progress. The Hindus getting converted to Christianity. Now, Hindus do not have any Hinduism in their mind. They do not know about their heritage. They do not know about their culture. They do not know about their religion. So naturally, it is easy for get converted to. Why you say Bible is not scientific? You think just Genesis itself. God created human being. Within 6 days and 7th day, he took rest. This foundation point of Bible is wrong. And it is the evolution theory. Jatyandara parinama prakritya pura. That evolution theory, that is violated in the first page itself in Bible. And Adam is created by the God, and from the vertebra Eve is created. This is not scientific. They got one son, Cain. He married. When Cain married means another girl was there. Their son married. So Another girl was also there. So they were told by the God to go to Egypt and break the temples of the Egyptians. So people were there in Egypt. So Adam and Eve theory and other things 100% wrong. And Jesus was crucified for the sin committed by Adam and Eve, the human race through Adam and Eve. So when Adam and Eve theory itself is wrong, Bible is 100% superstition and humbug. Then how can we worship human beings? When human beings get elevated from the level of an ordinary human being, they become gurus and they become teachers and mentors. That is why we call Bhagavan Vedavyasa, Bhagavan Shankaracharya. Many people go and worship Mata Pradanandamayi, Satya Sai Baba, Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, because they get consolence and a feeling of comfortability, and they can download their problems and the worries in front of them. So they worship the people. How to teach Indian culture? We have uploaded many subjects through YouTube and books, and you can get through Google search any subject of Indian culture. Definitely you can learn if you have got the subject what is to be learned. How to face obstacles in life. Preparation for living is not life. Experience of living is life. Preparation for living is not life. You experience positives, negatives, ups, downs, sorrows and happiness and failure and success, then march forward. What should I do for India? Do whatever you can do. I need not tell you. Within the facilities available, time available, energy available, knowledge available, you do your level best. Time limitation creates problem for everybody. No. American President Obama, Indian Prime Minister Modi, or anyone in the world, whether they are at lower position or higher position, everybody has got 24 hours. You have also got 24 hours. Do your level best. I want to give Indian culture to my children. You first learn, then teach. Teaching and learning are the only method for teaching your family about culture. So the questions asked by the people I have replied. Thank you very much.